today I did a clean-up video, a before and after of my kitchen and the living room and dining area. So this is how my house looks before and how it looks after, with 5 children, 4 being under 4 years old. Yeah, so I've also put in a picture of the cleaning products I use, and that's it really. It's not a massive big video, but I can do a more in-depth one of how I clean the house once I've got a tripod for my camera. So welcome back. I've just finished tidying up, been to the doctor's, been to the chemist, and now I was just going to do an unboxing from what I bought from Amazon. So I'm just going to open it. I can't actually remember what's in here. Sorry about that. Get rid of all the excess. Oh, what? So I saw on YouTube a lady that puts all of her herbs and spices on a turntable like this. So you can kind of turn this around in the cupboard, so it means you can get to all your spices without having to move everything about. So I am going to put this in my cupboard and see how I like it. Hopefully it will fit. I'm sure it will fit. But yeah, I will take a video or take a picture of what it was like before and then again after, and do a little video of a demonstration. So that I got from Amazon. And then I'm not sure what these are. Oh, these are the baking cups. Okay, so I got these baking cups because another lady that I watch on YouTube makes these really nice little, I think they're almost like omelette kind of cupcake things on Slimming World, and they're completely free. So I thought, to help me stay on track and not veer off and eat rubbish, I thought that I would make these cupcakes, and I wanted to try these rubber cupcake holders. So I'm not sure why I've got 2 packs though, because I'm sure I only ordered 1. but it doesn't matter. That's cool. Maybe I'll just, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 12, so I've got 24 cupcakes containers. So I am going to make some cupcakes with these. I might ask Sienna to do it because she likes to make cakes. So I think we're going to make some cupcakes and I will do a video on that. Sorry about my hair, I need to let it dry so I can go like straightening with the straightening irons. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to make the cupcakes and we'll do a video of making the cupcakes. And I was also, there was an oat carrot cake that is free as well. And you can make it in a loaf. But I was thinking, so I could have them easily to take to work where I wouldn't have to cut them up, I could make them in these little cupcakes. So I'm going to try that as well. Yeah, so I want to just try and make a lot of free food that I can nibble on, which is I think what's the problem. I'm getting hungry and then having nothing to nibble on. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Bye.